What's up, guys? So this is my new bike, 2015 BMW S1000XR. Those of you that have been on my channel for a while will know that I had a 2016 S1000XR about 2 years ago, a red one, and I really missed that bike, so I decided to get another one. I still have my Tuono. This one will be used for commuting, touring, taking my wife on rides. But yeah, I'm super happy I got this. I really miss it, and it's just been this flipping blast riding this thing. So yeah, this one's got a Akrapovic HP exhaust with some nice scratches on it. Not really a big deal. It's got the link pipe as well, cat delete, so it sounds really good. Mitas Sport Force Plus tires, a tire I haven't actually personally used before. It's what came on the bike, but they've got a lot of tread, so I'm trying them out. I've done a few laps up and down, and they feel pretty good, so quite happy with that. Let's give it a start. So yeah, that's the bike. I'm really glad I have it again. I just need to get used to the weight. I forgot how heavy this thing was. Oh geez, there's a huge baboon. Yeah, there's quite a few baboons around here. This is a big boy. You do not want to get in a fight with a baboon. Baby. This dude just chilling in the road. So yeah, I will cut to some footage of me earlier, but I thought I'd just give us a little brief introduction of the bike. So yeah, enjoy the video, check you later. Laps on the XR, flipping love this bike. Also there's some baboons here, so I better slow down. Yep. Get out the road. There's a reason I was slowing down, but cool. I guess I could have passed there. Oh well. So yeah, this is the first ride on my new XR. Those of you that have watched my channel before know I had a red XR about 2 years ago, which I sold and then got a MT10 SP, but I always missed my XR. It's such a easy bike to ride fast, comfortable, you can do plenty touring on it, and it sounds amazing. This one comes with a Akrapovic HP exhaust with a decatted link pipe. So it sounds flipping good, and then yeah, also its wheelies like a dream. I'll cut to the clips now of me doing some wheelies before I got here. and smooth. I can't believe how smooth that is. It's like way smoother than the Tuono. The Tuono just wants to flipping shoot up. I mean, okay. Yeah. It gives me time to practice wheelies. Gives me time to practice wheelies. Yeah, it's super easy, cheapers. Just roll on at like 6,000 and it just lifts up and then shift. Yeah, the Tuono will lift just as easily. It's just that it comes up really fast, and it's hard to control. I think the weight of this bike and the long wheelbase helps with that. A bit too high in the revs there. Still very easy, can't believe it. So yeah, as you can see, it lifts really easy. That was literally the first time doing roll-on, doing power wheelies in first gear. On my old XR I didn't wheelie because I couldn't. I'd never really practiced and I was a bit scared of wheeling such a big bike. But now that I've got a lot more practice under my belt with my Tuono, it's pretty easy. Yeah, the XR is just, it's one of my favorite bikes ever. The Tuono and XR are my two favorites out of all the bikes that I've had. And they are the only bikes that I ever missed when I sold them. The other bikes I didn't really care too much about. I'm not exactly very sentimental. There's a lot of cyclists out today. I'm not very sentimental about like objects, like machines and things. But the Tuono and the XR are probably the only two bikes that I ever missed, and that's why I have them again. The weight, I need to get used to the weight again. Easy. Just roll on at 5,000 and it comes up. So smooth as well and controlled. The power band is a lot more predictable than the Tuono. When you doing a power wheelie in first on the Tuono, it comes up like smooth and then it just hits that torque and just lifts really high. Nice. Let's turn across the solid line. So that's why I prefer doing second gear clutch ups on the Tuono, and also clutch ups are just feel a little bit more controllable. I still need to set my clutch on this bike. I tried some clutch ups earlier and it was not happening. Woo, inline four scream! What a beast. So easy. I still, from like even 2 years ago, I still think this is the easiest bike to ride fast. These big wide bars just give you so much control. I'm not even getting off the seat. You can just sit here and effortlessly just one-handed this thing. It's so nice. I also fitted the Evotech heavy bar ends, or Evotech heavy bar ends, and to eliminate the vibration, which is a common problem with the XRs. And I must say, I'm very impressed. On my red XR I fitted GS bar ends from a GS 1200, and they were pretty good. They're quite heavy, about 200-ish grams each, and they seem to do the trick. I was quite happy. I weighed these Evotech bar ends yesterday, and both of them with the mounting hardware came to 650 grams, I think, maybe close to 700, and it seems to have helped quite a lot. The standard bar end I weighed was 65 grams, so just the bolt on the Evotech was heavier than the standard XR bar end, so that tells you how much heavier it is. Okay, I'm going to slow down here because of the baboons. You do not want to hit a baboon and go flying off the side of the mountain. So yeah, I'm super happy to be on the XR again. I really missed this bike, and also my wife really misses this bike. She went on the Toronto a few times but didn't really enjoy the hard seats and that feeling of being pulled off the back by the torque. So it was just not really pleasant. The XR is obviously made with pillions in mind, so there's nice comfy seats, your feet are nice and low, so yeah, she's gonna enjoy going on this thing again. And that was 2 laps of Royals in Cape Town, South Africa. Probably my second favorite road. This one is super smooth, well maintained. It's like a racetrack really. Okay, let's go again.